Welcome to our guide on navigating the seas with the Polaris Method. This technique has been used for centuries by mariners to determine their positions accurately using the North Star. Today, we'll take you through the tools, the process, and real-world applications of this time-honored navigation method. First, let's talk about the tools you need for the Polaris Method. The primary tool is a sextant, an instrument used to measure the angle between Polaris and the horizon. You will also need a nautical almanac, which contains important data about the position of celestial bodies, and a reliable timepiece to record the exact time of your observations.
Next, let's delve into the process. Begin by locating Polaris in the night sky. Using your sextant, measure the angle between Polaris and the horizon. Record this angle along with the exact time of your observation. Refer to your nautical almanac to find the data corresponding to your observation time. Use this data to calculate your latitude. Finally, cross-reference your calculated position with your charts to determine your exact location at sea. Finally, let's look at the practical application of the Polaris Method. By mastering this technique, sailors can navigate with confidence even when modern technology fails. It provides a reliable backup and fosters a deeper understanding of celestial navigation. This skill not only enhances safety at sea, but also connects sailors to the rich history of maritime exploration.
In summary, the Polaris Method is an invaluable navigation tool for sailors. By understanding and applying this method, you can ensure accurate position fixing and enhance your navigation skills. Embrace the tradition of celestial navigation and navigate the seas with confidence.